Hello, my name is Ken, and I'm with Hoffmann Brothers. Today, we are going to be talking about air conditioning and furnace maintenance. And just like this car behind us, you wouldn't want to purchase it and not get an oil change. And your air conditioner and furnace is no different. You want to make sure you're getting yearly checkups to ensure safety and efficiency. A poorly maintained air conditioner can cost you hundreds per year. It's important to make sure that you're maintaining the system. Whenever the system is dirty, it causes the amp draw on the system to rise. This amp draw can cost you 5 to 15% more in energy consumption. One of the things that causes high amp draw is a dirty coil. And the only way to fix that is to have it tuned up by a licensed professional. Whenever he is here, he's going to wash the air conditioner and ensure that there's proper airflow through the coil. In addition to that, he will also check the refrigerant charge. A compressor that's low on refrigerant is going to struggle to run. It's important to maintain all these factors. By performing yearly AC tune-ups, you're going to ensure that your system is running efficiently, safely, and reliably when you need it the most. Yearly furnace tune-ups are an important part of home ownership. Whenever a technician arrives at the home, he's making sure that not only is the system running efficiently, but also that it's running safely. He will be checking the gas pressure, he'll be checking for carbon dioxide leaks, and also gas leaks, because that gas is actually combustible. We wouldn't want that leaking into the home. These tune-ups are always important, and we always recommend doing them at least once a year. One of the checkups that a technician is going to perform is a heat exchanger inspection. What he's ensuring is that there are no holes, crack, or weak points in the heat exchanger that could cause carbon dioxide to leak into the home. Now, while it may be rare, it is still a concern, and we want to make sure that you and your family are safe. In addition to the safety aspects of what the technician is going to be checking when he's in the home, he will also be checking your filter. Now, with this filter, it is important that you keep a clean filter that fits properly with inside the ductwork or with inside the unit, depending on the brand that you have. The air passes through this filter and collects any particulates that may go through the airstream. All homes have dust, and so we want to ensure that not only are we protecting the equipment with the filter, but we're also helping clean the air so that we can breathe easier. Another important key factor to having a yearly maintenance done is the peace of mind that you'll get knowing that your system is running efficiently and safely. And if you do have any issues, you know exactly who to call: Hoffmann Brothers.